Far away, in the glimmering reaches of the universe, nestled the enchanting planet of Kepler. Unlike Earth, Kepler was a world filled with shimmering golden sands and skies that shifted colors like an artist's vibrant palette. On this magical planet lived Masha, an alien girl with eyes that sparkled like tiny stars. Masha was not just any alien though, she had the gift of soaring through the air with wings as delicate as a butterfly and as radiant as the moon. Masha was curious about everything. Her favorite thing to do was to explore the wondrous nooks of her planet, from its towering silver mountains to the twinkling crystal rivers. One day, while gliding over the vast landscape, she spotted a peculiar glow in the forest. Intrigued, she fluttered down to investigate and found a shimmering portal tucked between two soaring emerald trees. With a mix of excitement and a sprinkle of nervousness, Masha stepped through the portal. To her astonishment, she found herself in a place unlike anything she had ever seen, Earth. It was filled with lush green grass, tall trees filled with chattering birds, and bustling little creatures called humans. Masha was awestruck by this new world. She decided to explore and learn all she could about Earth. But being an alien girl on a new planet wasn't easy. She hid behind bushes and peeked from corners, cautiously observing the humans who were both strange and fascinating to her. One morning, while she was hiding near a playground, Masha watched as children laughed and played. Their joy was contagious, and Masha couldn't help but smile. As she watched, a little boy named Tommy spotted her shimmering wings peeking from behind a tree. Tommy, being the adventurous boy he was, quietly approached Masha. "Hello," he said softly, waving his hand. "I'm Tommy. Want to play with us?" Masha hesitated, but the warmth in Tommy's smile made her feel at ease. Together, they joined the other children. Masha showed them how she could fly and make patterns in the air with her sparkly wings. The children were amazed and clapped with delight. Even though Masha couldn't speak their language, her actions spoke louder than words. As days passed, Masha learned about Earth and made new friends. Tommy taught her about kites, and Masha showed him how to fly using her wings. Despite their differences, the bond between Masha and the children grew stronger every day. But as much as she loved her new friends, Masha knew that she had to return to Kepler. One evening, under a sky full of twinkling stars, Masha gathered her friends and pointed to the portal that shimmered in the distance. Tommy looked up at her with teary eyes. "Do you have to go?" he asked. Masha nodded, hugging him. She handed him a tiny crystal from Kepler, a token of their friendship. With a last wave, Masha soared through the portal, leaving a trail of stardust behind. She returned to Kepler with stories of Earth and a heart filled with newfound love and friendship.